If you're looking to host a safari themed birthday for your kid, you don't want to hire any help, and you definitely want to do it on a budget, check out this video. I'm going to show you how I created this look for under $100. First things first, invest in an electric pump. Roughly about $15 on Amazon, but it is so worth it. It's going to save you so much time. Next, select the balloon set and color coordination that you have in mind. Now this one came with 138 pieces, balloons, tape strip, dot glue, and the tying tool, also from Amazon. I did grab the crates from Michael's as well as the wood paint and the wood stain. I'm gonna go ahead and include some images there for you. All right, so this is the before. I'm just painting these 3 crates. I got my supply station over here, got the wood stain, the paint, the wax. I actually stopped it here because I said wood paint and wax. Those were 2 items I thought I needed. However, I didn't. The wood stain was perfectly fine. It was sufficient. If you like the outcome of my final look, then that's just wood stain. No paint, no wax needed. I got the foam brushes, the regular paint brushes, and a few other items I want to get painted today. I will show you the after shortly. I do want to add that the foam brush and the regular paint brushes, I actually got those at Dollar Tree. All right, let's get started. So I have my greenery that I will be putting in between the garland, my 18-inch balloons, 12-inch, 5-inch, all of these right here. Got my new electric pump, super easy, super affordable. I actually got this on Amazon for like 15 bucks. Inflate the balloon, push down. Super easy, within seconds it's done. So that's how I got those 3. Hopefully I can get this done within a reasonable time. It does come with, I don't even know what to call this, but it helps separate the actual balloons from each other. Whoops, I meant the balloon strip. Duh, you know, the thing that holds the balloons together. And some tape. Now these, I'm really not sure on how to use them, so most likely I won't be, but I will keep you guys updated, keep recording my steps. That way you know that you can do it too. Progress. I still have all of these to add on to my garland, but this is coming together, and I still have the 18-inch and the rest of the 12-inch. I made it a point to prep everything the night before so that I could just show up the next day, relax, and just focus on my son. Still gotta add larger balloons here, some in that corner, and a few on the top. As for the stuffed animals used for the party, I already had those in my son's nursery along with the wooded sign with his name. And as for the backdrop, that was actually borrowed from a friend, but I'm also going to include the one I was looking at originally before borrowing the one that you see here. If you see anything else on the table that you might be interested in and I did not mention in this video, I'm going to go ahead and include the link to some of those items in the description below.